Replacing the rear elastics on a Kinisi harness. First, remove the waist pad. Remove the elastic from the waist belt. You may wish to use a small, blunt tool to aid in removing the rearmost elastics. Ensure you do not damage any webbing or harness material. Continue to remove the elastics from the leg loop. You may wish to remove the leg pads. Begin installing the elastics by pushing a corner of the material through the forwardmost leg loop slot. Pull through until the sewn end sits against the outside of the slot. We'll begin by installing in the uppermost slot of the waist belt. Turn the waist belt over to make installation easier. Pull through and ensure that the material exits underneath the exterior webbing as shown. Weave back through the lower slot. Install into the rearmost slot on the leg loop next. Once again, we'll begin installing on the waist belt in the uppermost slot. In this case, we need to run between the webbing on both sides of the waist belt. Pass the elastic through the interior webbing first and out through the uppermost slot. Pass the elastic beneath the external webbing and into the lower slot. Reinstall the leg pads and the waist pad. Installation of the rear elastics is now complete.